the first and most basic twerk move for ConFITdance, any routines that we do. It is called the basic twerk. So if I ever say, do the basic twerk, do 4 of those or whatever, you're gonna know which move that is, especially if you do a routine. So first you're gonna start off, basic twerk. Legs are shoulder width apart. Make sure you're right here, shoulder width. None more open than that, and none more closed than that. So you should not be here. Open them up. So you're open. You're gonna go down into a nice squat. Stretch that out. Back stays straight. Your hands are gonna be on your knees or your thighs. I like to have them on my thighs. You can slightly bend over at that point once you have your hands placed where they need to be. You're gonna use your stomach and your lower back. What you wanna do is pop that butt up and down, up and down, up and down. Pop, 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 pop. Use that stomach. So essentially that stomach is pushing that booty up and your lower back is pushing your booty back down. So I'm gonna turn to the side, shoulder width apart. Hey, this is my jam. Hold on, let me turn it up. Hey, hey. All right, legs shoulder width apart. Hands are right here on your knees or your thighs. You're gonna use that stomach and lower back.